Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing thousands of dollars rolling into your bank account all because of the content you created yesterday. Sounds unreal? It's not. Right now, influencers are making more money than ever before, and the best part? You don't need millions of followers to do it. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make money as an influencer, step by step. If you've ever wanted to turn your social media into a serious income stream, keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to start making money online. But let's be real, most people trying to become influencers never make a dime. They post content, chase likes, and hope something goes viral, but their bank account stays empty. Maybe that sounds familiar. Maybe you've been putting in the work, but still haven't figured out how to turn followers into actual income. If so, you're not alone. The problem isn't effort, it's strategy. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how successful influencers make money so you can stop struggling and start earning. 1. The influencer economy. Why this is the best time to start. Right now, we're living in the golden age of influencers. Brands are shifting billions of dollars from traditional ads to social media, meaning there's more money up for grabs than ever before. But here's the kicker: most people still think they need millions of followers to make money. That's simply not true. The rise of micro and nano influencers, people with 1,000, 100,000 followers, has proven that engagement matters more than audience size. Brands now care about trust and connection, not just numbers. If you have a small but engaged community, you can make serious money. The key is understanding your value and positioning yourself correctly in this booming industry. 2. Choosing your niche. The secret to standing out and making more money. Not all influencer niches are created equal. Some make serious money, while others struggle. The secret? Choosing a niche that is both profitable and aligned with your passion. Ask yourself, what do I love talking about? What are people willing to spend money on? For example, finance, fitness, tech, luxury lifestyle, and business-related content tend to attract high-paying brand deals. On the other hand, broad, unfocused content struggles to convert. Picking the right niche helps you build authority and attract the right audience who will actually buy from you. 3. Building a loyal and engaged audience. The foundation of influence. You don't just want followers, you want fans. People who trust you, engage with you, and buy from you. But how do you build that kind of audience? Consistency is key, but engagement is even more important. Reply to comments, start conversations, and treat your audience like a community. One major mistake new influencers make is chasing viral content instead of focusing on relationships. A smaller but engaged audience will always be more profitable than a large but disconnected one. 4. Top income streams for influencers. How to monetize your brand. Let's talk money. Here are the top ways influencers make money. Brand deals and sponsorships. Companies pay you to promote their products. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission by promoting products you love. Selling your own products, digital courses, ebooks, coaching programs. Ad revenue. YouTube AdSense, TikTok Creator Fund, and more. Crowdfunding and subscriptions. Patreon, paid newsletters, or exclusive content. Most influencers don't rely on just one stream, they stack multiple to maximize income. The smartest thing you can do? Diversify early. 5. The business of being an influencer, treating it like a real job. Making money as an influencer isn't just about posting pictures, it's a business. And like any business, you need a strategy. Start by setting up a content calendar. Plan out your posts, schedule collaborations, and track your engagement. Also, don't forget taxes. Yes, influencers pay taxes too. Treating this as a real business will separate you from 99% of people who are just trying to be influencers. 6. The power of multiple platforms. Don't rely on just one. One of the biggest mistakes influencers make is depending on a single platform. What happens if Instagram changes its algorithm? Or TikTok bans your account? Your entire income vanishes overnight. Smart influencers spread their content across multiple platforms. Post on YouTube, repurpose it for TikTok, share highlights on Instagram, and build an email list. The more places you exist, the more money you make and the safer your business becomes. 7. Avoiding common influencer mistakes that kill growth and earnings. Most influencers fail because they make one or more of these mistakes. chasing viral content instead of building trust, ignoring brand positioning and pricing themselves too low, focusing on followers instead of engagement, depending on one income stream instead of diversifying. Success as an influencer isn't about luck. It's about strategy. If you fix these mistakes, you'll start seeing real financial results. 8. How to start today. Actionable steps for beginners. So, how do you start making money as an influencer? Here's what you should do in the next 30 days. 1. Choose your niche and ideal audience. 2. Pick 1-2 platforms and commit to posting consistently. 3. Engage with your audience daily, reply to every comment and message. 4. Reach out to 10-20 brands for potential collaborations. 5. Start at least one monetization method. Affiliate marketing is a great first step. Take action now. Don't just consume content, implement it. Every successful influencer started where you are right now. The difference? They took action. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need a plan, consistency, and the right strategies. If you don't start now, someone else will. The best time to build your influence was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below on which income stream you're going to try first. And don't stop here, I've got even more game-changing strategies waiting for you. YouTube has already picked the best next video for you to watch. It's on screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.